July 21st, 2024. I have the VEVOR 220 volt AC 4-liter water distillation rig here. I am distilling borehole water. The unit boasts 1 liter per hour. Unfortunately, it takes 750 watts while it is plugged in. Currently, I am running a generator to power this while simultaneously doing laundry. Take a listen to the effect and the amp pull it has when I turn it on. I'm going to turn it off and listen to the generator in the background. Hear that? Now I'm going to turn it back on. Hear that generator pull? That is the feeling, the power of 8 or 9 amps pulling through at 220 volts. Completely different than charging your cell phone in like milliwatts or maybe 0.05 of an amp or 0.01 amps as you charge your phone. But as you can see, it is distilling water. I have borehole water in here. It boils it, recaptures the steam, and then the steam gets condensed right there. So in a survival scenario, which I am not in, I could distill ocean water off the west or south coast of Portugal. There's an ample amount of ocean. And I could also distill borehole water. This water is coming out at 0 parts per million total dissolved solids. And I don't have a TDS meter here with me, but I would venture to say borehole water is probably between 100 and 200 parts per million of total dissolved solids. The question would be, what are those total dissolved solids? And unless you get into specific readings of what's in the borehole, you could have ground contaminants, pesticides, all different types of things. So we prefer, like a lot of people in the Algarve, to drink bottled water, but personally I would prefer to save on plastic and go even deeper and just drink distilled water. And if you feel like it, then you add, if you want to add minerals to things, add some Himalayan salt. Add one or two of those per jug if you're really into adding things to your drinking water. My personal opinion on that point about adding minerals is that in your stomach you have food. So the distilled water mixes with your food in your stomach and you get all the minerals that you need that way. But that's my opinion. Some people like to add things to their water anyway. So I don't plan on running my generator for 4 hours, but I'm currently doing some laundry, so I thought, hey, let's run the VEVOR rig at the same time instead of killing my batteries in the solar grid setup that I have. Take care, everybody. Drink distilled water.